Welcome to class number 2 of the Ordinary Level Differentiation course. In this class, you will continue to learn about functions. Every function can be represented by a curve, given its equation y is equal to the f of x. Example 1. For the curve y is equal to 3x squared minus 2x plus 1, find the y coordinate if x is equal to 1. Draw a sketch of the curve C. You know the x-coordinate of the point. You need to find the y-coordinate of the point. To find y, replace x by 1 in the curve equation. Tidy up. Calculate powers first, then multiply and then add. The value of the y-coordinate is 2. Therefore, the point 1, 2 is on the curve. Example 2. For the curve y is equal to x minus 1 all over x plus 2, find the x-coordinate if y is equal to 2. Draw a sketch of the curve. In this example, you are given the y-coordinate and you need to find the x-coordinate. To find x, replace y by 2 in the curve equation. Multiply both sides by x plus 2. Multiply out and solve for x. The value of the x-coordinate is minus 5. Therefore, minus 5, 2 is a point on the curve. Example 3 is 2 minus 3 on the curve y is equal to 8 plus 5x minus 3x squared. Replace x by 2 and y by minus 3 in the equation of the curve. If both sides are equal, then this point satisfies the equation of the curve and therefore is on the curve. Tidy up the right-hand side. Each side gives a different answer. Therefore, the point 2 minus 3 is not on the curve. Example 4. Fill in the missing coordinates on the curve y is equal to x squared minus 3. Start with the point A. Replace x by 1 in the equation of a curve. The y-coordinate is minus 2. The point A has coordinates 1, minus 2. Move on to point B, where x is replaced by 1.1. You can use your calculator to work out y. The point B has coordinates 1.1 minus 1.89. Move on to point C. Replace x by t in the equation of the curve. The coordinates of point C are t squared minus 3. And finally, onto point D. Replace x by x plus h in the equation of the curve. Tidy up by multiplying out. The coordinates of point D are x plus h, x squared plus 2hx plus h squared minus 3. That's the end of the class. Have a look at the demonstration examples, and when you think you are ready,